Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. Today's episode is about my favorite city. In this lesson, we will learn how to talk about a city. We will use simple words. We will speak in short sentences. We will practice speaking and repeating. You can pause the video and repeat at any time. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. Hello, my name is Ben. I live in the United States. My favorite city is a city I love. I like the city because it has many good things. The city has parks and good food. The city has friendly people and safe streets. The city has a river and a big center. I like the weather in the city. I like the lights at night. I like the sounds in the morning. I like to walk in the city. I like to eat in the city. I like to sit and watch the city. If you want, you can pause the video and repeat this introduction. Now I will say the introduction again slowly. Please listen and repeat. Hello, my name is Ben. I live in the United States. My favorite city is a city I love. I like the city because it has many good things. The city has parks and good food. You can pause the video and repeat this sentence now. We will learn many small parts. Each part is a simple idea. First, we will learn how to name a city. Second, we will learn how to say the reason we like the city. Third, we will learn to describe places in the city. Fourth, we will learn to describe food and people. Fifth, we will learn to practice short dialogue lines. You can pause the video and repeat any line that you hear. Part 1 is naming a city. Here are some examples. My favorite city is New York. My favorite city is Paris. My favorite city is Tokyo. My favorite city is London. My favorite city is Rio. My favorite city is Sydney. You can use your own city name. Try this sentence. Say this line and then pause. My favorite city is your city name. You can pause the video and say the sentence now. Now we will say why we like a city. Use simple reasons. I like the food. I like the parks. I like the people. I like the weather. I like the museums. I like the music. I like the markets. I like the small streets. I like the big streets. I like the river. I like the sea. I like the beach. I like the hills. Repeat each reason and try to say one reason about your city. I will give some example sentences. I like the food in the city. The food is fresh and good. I like the parks. The parks are green and quiet. I like the people. The people are friendly. I like the weather. The weather is mild and nice. I like the museums. The museums have old art. I like the music. The music is alive in the streets. You can pause the video and repeat one sentence now. Next, we will describe places in the city. Use small words. A city has a center. The center has tall buildings. A city has a market. The market has many shops. A city has parks. The parks have trees and benches. A city has a river or a sea. The river has bridges. The sea has a beach. A city has a train station. A city has buses and subway lines. A city has small cafes and big restaurants. A city has a museum and a theater. I will say short sentences. Repeat after me. The city center is busy. The market is full of color. The park is a good place to rest. The river is beautiful at sunset. The train station is full of people. The cafe has warm coffee. The museum has old things. You can pause the video and say these lines slowly. Now we will talk about food in the city. Food is a big reason to love a city. You can name a dish. You can say what you like. Try this pattern. I like to eat X in the city. For example, I like to eat pizza in the city. I like to eat sushi in the city. I like to eat croissants in the city. I like to eat tacos in the city. I like to eat curry in the city. I like to eat fresh fruit in the city. Repeat these lines. Pause and say your own line. I like to eat your dish in my favorite city. Now we will describe the people. People make a city kind or hard. Use these short lines. The people are friendly. The people are kind. The people are busy. The people are proud of their city. The people are helpful to visitors. The shops are run by families. The sellers smile. The children play in the parks. The old people rest on benches. Repeat each line and think about the people in your favorite city. We will now do a small dialogue practice. You will hear a simple talk between a visitor and a local. You can repeat each line. You can pause and say the lines with me. Here is the dialogue. Visitor, hello, can you help me please? Local, yes, I can help you. Visitor, where is the city center? Local, walk straight for 2 blocks. Turn left at the park. The center is next to the river. Visitor, thank you very much. Local, you are welcome. Enjoy the city. You can pause now and repeat the dialogue with the roles. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself to a new friend in the city. Hello, my name is Anna. I am from Spain. I love this city. My favorite place is the market. I visit the market on Sundays. The food is fresh. I meet my friends there. We drink coffee and talk. What is your name? Where are you from? Do you like this city? You can pause the video and try this dialogue with a friend. We will now build a full monologue about a favorite city. This is a longer example. I will speak slowly. Please listen. Then you can repeat parts. Hello, my name is Ben. I am from the United States. I want to tell you about my favorite city. The city is a place I like to visit again and again. The city has many parks and a long river. The streets are clean. The shops are bright. The food is good and cheap. The people are kind and talkative. I like to walk in the morning. I like to sit in a small cafe. I like to watch the city wake up. In the afternoon, I like to visit the museum. The museum has old art and new art. In the evening, I like to eat near the river. I like to see the lights on the water. The city feels safe at night. The music in the streets makes me smile. My favorite city is a city of art and food and warm people. I feel calm in the city. I feel happy in the city. I want you to try this monologue as well. Pause and repeat any sentence that you like. Now we will do small practice tasks. Read the sentence and then make your own sentence. Task 1, name your favorite city. Say, I like the city called your city name. Task 2, say one reason you like the city. Use the word food or park or people. For example, I like the food in my city. Task 3, describe one place in the city. Use the word market or river or museum. For example, the market is full of fruit. Task 4, say one sentence about the weather. For example, the weather is warm in the summer. Task 5, say one sentence about transport. For example, the trains are fast and clean. Pause the video after each task and try to make your own sentence. Now I will give more short phrases to help you. These phrases are easy to use in many talks. Repeat each phrase and try to use them. My favorite city is beautiful. I want to visit again. I like the old streets. I like the new buildings. I like the small shops. I like the big markets. I love the night lights. I enjoy the local food. I like the simple life there. I feel welcome in the city. You can pause and make your own phrase with one of these words. Next, we will practice answers to simple questions. These answers are short. Use them and repeat after me. Question, what is your favorite city? Answer, my favorite city is your city name. Question, why do you like that city? Answer, I like it because of the food and the people. Question, what do you do in the city? Answer, I walk in the parks and visit museums. Question, when do you visit the city? Answer, I visit in spring and fall. Question, who do you go with? Answer, I go with my friends or family. Pause and repeat these simple questions and answers now. Now we will give a short tour script. This script helps you to speak like a guide. Listen and repeat. Welcome to my favorite city. I will show you the best places. First, we will walk to the market. You will see fresh food and local crafts. Next, we will go to the park. The park has a big lake and a small museum. After that we will see the river and the bridge. The bridge has a good view of the city. At the end we will go to a cafe to try local food. I hope you enjoy the walk. You can pause and say the tour script with me. We will now look at useful adjectives. Adjectives help to describe a city. Use short words. Repeat each word. Beautiful, quiet, busy, safe, lively, old, new, clean, colorful, noisy, calm, small, big, cozy, modern, historic. Try to make sentences with these words. For example, the old market is colorful. The new park is clean. The small cafe is cozy. The big museum is modern. Pause and make 3 sentences with different words. Next, I will give tips for making your talk sound natural. Tip 1. Use simple words. Tip 2. Use short sentences. Tip 3. Speak slowly. Tip 4. Repeat keywords. Tip 5. Give one example for each point. Tip 6. Ask a simple question to your listener. For example, do you like the food? Tip 7. Use the name of the city often. Try to use these tips when you speak. Now we will do a longer practice. I will speak a story about a visit to a city. You can repeat sentences or say the story in your own words. One day I took a train to the city. I had a small bag and a map. The sun was warm. I walked out of the station. I saw old buildings and new shops. I walked to the market. I tried fresh bread and cheese. I talked to a seller and learned a new word. I sat on a bench in a park. I watched children play and a man feed birds. I walked to the river. The water was slow and calm. A boat moved on the river. I ate dinner in a small restaurant near the river. I had fish and salad. I listened to music in the street. I felt happy and safe. I took the train home that night. I could not wait to return. Pause and tell this story in your own way now. We will now practice small questions about travel. Repeat and answer with short sentences. Where is the market? The market is near the old church. How do I get to the museum? Take the blue bus for 3 stops. What time does the park open? The park opens at 8 in the morning. Is the city safe at night? Yes, the city is safe at night. What is the best food to try? Try the local soup and bread. You can pause and make your own travel questions. Now I will give simple advice for beginners. Use small steps. First, learn a few words about the city. Next, practice 1 or 2 short sentences. Then try a short dialogue with a friend. After that, tell a short story about your visit. Do not worry about mistakes. Speak slowly and clearly. Repeat words often. Try to listen to native speakers. You can pause this video and list 3 words you will learn about your city. Now we will practice some connecting words. These words help to link ideas. Use them in short sentences. For example, and but so, because then, after, before. Here are examples. I like the food in the parks. The city is big but clean. I walked a lot so I felt tired. I like it because the people are kind. I ate lunch then I visited a museum. I rested before I walked to the river. Pause and make 3 sentences with these words. Now I will share a small exercise to check your speaking. First, say your name. Second, say your country. Third, name your favorite city. Fourth, say one reason you like the city. Fifth, say one place you visit there. Sixth, say one food you try there. For example, my name is Ben. I am from the United States. My favorite city is a city I love. I like the food. I visit the market. I try fresh bread. Now you try this exercise and pause the video to record your voice. We will now return to the example introduction and make small changes. Listen and repeat. Hello, my name is Ben. I am from the United States. I love to visit my favorite city. The city has a river and a wide market. The market sells fruit and bread. The city has a small museum with old art. The people smile and help visitors. The food is delicious and cheap. I walk in the park at noon. I sit on a bench and read a book. I enjoy the city in every season. Try to say these lines and then make your own version. Next, we will practice some useful verbs. Repeat each verb and make a simple sentence. Walk, eat, drink, read, visit, see, buy, meet, tour, rest, swim, listen, watch, learn. Examples: I walk in the park. I eat local food. I drink coffee at a cafe. I read in the morning. I visit the museum. I see the river. I buy fruit at the market. I meet new friends. I tour the city center. I rest on a bench. I listen to street music. I learn a new word. Pause and make 5 sentences with these verbs. Now I will give a short scene in a cafe. This will help you use small talk. Repeat the scene and try to say it with a friend. Person 1: Hello, may I join you? Person 2: Yes, please sit. Person 1: Thank you. What do you like here? Person 2: I like the coffee and the bread. Person 1: The coffee is warm and strong. Person 2: The bread is fresh. Person 1: Do you live here? Person 2: Yes, I live near the park. Person 1: I want to see the park. Person 2: I can show you the way. Pause and practice this scene with a partner or with your phone. Now we will practice saying a short review of your favorite city. Use 3 or 4 sentences. Start with the name of the city. Say one reason you like it. Say one thing you do there. End with an invitation. For example, New York is my favorite city. I like the tall buildings and the food. I walk in Central Park and visit museums. Come and see the city with me. Now make your own review and pause to say it out loud. We will end with a few final practice tasks. Task 1: Name 3 places you like in the city. Task 2: Say 2 foods you want to try. Task 3: Say one thing you do in the city every time. Task 4: Describe the people in 1 sentence. Task 5: Give a 1-line reason why you will return. For each task, pause and speak your answers. That is all for today's practice on my favorite city. Thank you for watching and practicing with me. Do not forget to subscribe to English Time with Ben and to like the video if you found it useful. See you next time.